Hey everybody, welcome back to Styrene Relics. I've got a bunch of shop cards and stuff I need to acknowledge, and I've got thank you, and well, a lot of thank yous. And I've got some stuff I want to show you. First off, I've been getting a lot of shop cards lately, and I haven't been on the internet much, and it's in even my model room actually. A lot of stuff's been going on, and anyway, I'm trying to get caught up on some stuff. So, anyhow, let's start off here. With shop cards and stuff. I got a thank you I need to send out to my brother-in-law Hairl. I want to say thanks, buddy. Your card really means a lot, and yep, if it come down to it, I'll call you if I need you for anything, and that means a lot. It really does. This is a card that I took down to the Detroit NNL show. This is the one that Harold built years ago. This is an original. Back then, you could build the mod rod or the a la carte out of the same kit. It had enough pieces in it to do it, and so he had built this, and he's got the baby corduroy inside. It's not painted. This is all plain white plastic. The only thing that he had was had a blower on it, and so I had taken the blower off because I wanted it as a true mod rod. And it came with 2/4. So I changed that out a little bit, and it's a nice survivor, real nice survivor. So turned out real sweet. Yeah, I like it. This was, man, I'd say this was mid to late 60s. This kit come out, something like that. So thank you, Harold, for the card. And let's see. Let's start off with some shop cards that I've got here. First off, a while back, Bruce sent me his shop card from Mrupscale. That's pretty cool. He's got some cool stuff going on over there as well, guys. Need to check him out if you haven't. I'm sure most of you have. But he just cracked open that Johan twin engine ambulance. That's going to be a cool build, I'm sure. So get over there and check him out. Bruce sent me this as well, and super cool. I've got some Hot Wheels stashed away, and I've even got a few blue card Hot Wheels from years gone by. And anyways, this one's kind of cool because I like Vicky's, so that one's hanging out there for sure. So there's that. Mark over at Mediocre Modeler sent me his card, and again, thanks for nice words on the back. I really appreciate it, and really dig that drawing you got going on there. It's just super cool. Everything. I just noticed there's a peace sign up there. I'm looking at these things all the time, and it's just like you see something new all the time. So pretty cool. Check him out when you get a chance. John over at Mrupscale Model Builder sent me this card. I've had it for a little bit too, but like I say, I just haven't been able to get up into the model room. Just haven't felt like it, guys. But yeah, check him out. John broke his ankle here not too long ago. So he's need some healing going on there, that's for sure. Because I've not broken bones except for one finger a long time ago and a collarbone. But yeah, that's not fun. Trust me, I've been there. Then the last one I got, Rob or Time Machine. He sent me his card, and guys, you need to check that out too. He's got some really cool stuff going on. Rob's always been a big supporter of my channel as well. So yeah, go check him out, man. He's got some really cool builds. I know, you know, it's just like the cool thing about all these guys is, you know, you have a bum deal and you just plow through it. You just keep at it, make it right. Rob here not too long ago had some bad paint on his Big Daddy Don Garlits, and man, he made it happen. I think it turned out sweet. I mean, you're your worst critic. I mean, I am, for me, and so I can pick my cars apart like crazy, but I like it. I thought it was a sweet build, man. So check him out. He also sent me a shop, or his business card and a decal, and I've been putting all my decals on my new box with all the addresses. So that's where that one ended up, and I've got a couple other boxes that I keep my important stuff there. So I've got some other stuff I want to show. My daughter and her husband loaned me their, well, he says give me their grow light for vegetables and stuff. It's real small. So I believe this is going to work for me on turning those decals white on my Kenny Bernstein build. I may try that here real soon. Let's see what else I got going on. Oh yeah, can't forget this. Craig over at Factory D-Rat hit me up while I was at the show, and he saw that I was going to build this for the small scale group build. Well, actually, that's what I had planned on, and then I started looking like I was going to get having surgery real fast, and so it crept on me real fast, and so I'm having my surgery on the 13th, and so I thought, well, I'll just go ahead and build it anyways. And so I opened up the box thinking I was going to build it, and that thing is warped beyond warpage. I've never seen a kit that bad before. So he hit me up. He says, hey man, I've got another one if you want it. And I says, well, you don't have to do that. And he said, no, he says, just get well soon. So I do appreciate Craig. I really do, man. Because I really like this little car. I really do. So when I get out of the hospital, probably one of the first ones I do is going to be this kit. So check him out, man. Craig over at Factory D-Rat. You can't go wrong, man. Oh, and I guess I've got to say, now I don't know the particulars, and I might be letting the cat out of the bag sooner than I should, but I hear he either got a trophy or an honorable mention or something. They got something for his Miami Vice boat. I saw it there, and really sweet, man. That boat is the bomb. Let me tell you, I know I had one and I let it go, and I cannot believe I let that thing go for a GMC pickup truck. Oh well. Listen, guys, I didn't spend a whole lot of time up there, and I guess I got one more thing here. While I was there, I did buy this 39 Ford. It's mostly all there. It's not been painted except for the chassis. So I think I'm going to be putting that together. $10. I didn't spend any money. I really didn't spend any time up there. I wasn't feeling real good. Very lightheaded that day. I don't know why. So check these guys out if you get a chance, and tell them all I said hi. And you can't go wrong. There's 4 guys there that's got some really sweet channels. I really mean it. Okay, guys, I'll talk at you later. God bless you. Bye.